Francisco's fishing industry. During your stay in San Francisco, consider visiting our other national park sites. The Presidio of San Francisco offers walks through forests and beaches, along with 200 years of military history. Discover the era of tall ships on the West Coast at the San Francisco Maritime National Historical Park. For the best view of the Golden Gate Bridge, visit Fort Point National Historical Site, San Francisco's architecturally stunning Civil War fort. A short trip across the bay takes you to Muir Woods, one of America's premier national monuments, site of towering coast redwoods and abundant wildlife. Enjoy your stay.
Dove è il fondo?